皆さんどうも、ライトと申します。And tonight, today, I want to share with you a Japanese study method. If you have a problem to concentrate for a long time, then I highly recommend you watch this from the beginning to the end, because I'm going to share two methods in one. You want to blend them together. So first of all, if you have a problem concentrating in school to learn something, the number one thing you can do is choose something you enjoy or something you're interested in, right? Or a skill you really want to learn. For me, game development, learning how to create games, and the JavaScript, HTML, CSS, different languages, different game engines, and I actually highly recommend you to get a book, right? Take a break from the screen, the advertisements, and try to work through a book, something you're interested in. That is number one. Now, there are two ways. So number one, this way, you're just going to read through stuff, and it's okay to skip if you know things. If you already know JavaScript, and there are some things in the book or in the, let's say, the skill you're learning, you can skip it. It's not a big deal. It's something you keep in your pocket, on your desk, and you go through that. The other one is get an actual book you want to work through and understand, whether it's a study book. Now, you're aware, like a lot of people won't like this method, but it's really crucial that you try to work through something, even if it's one page. For example, you take a book with Japanese and furigana telling you how to read the kanji. You read through this one page. Everything you don't understand, you can make a flashcard on the Anki application. You can just make a lot of flashcards, draw that every day, and when you get comfortable, come back and read the page again. Next page. And you don't have to really focus on understanding the story when you're done, but you do need to try and focus on understanding the page when you're reading it, if that makes sense. And through this, the only way you're gonna learn kanji and the readings is through constant reading. You should not learn the kun and onyomi separately. You should read every single day. Let's say you read this, and on the next page you go through it over there, and that's a day worth of reading. You have to eat the elephant bit by bit, right? You can't just say, I want to do this and delve into with a lot of motivation. Some people learn for the JLPT test. Now for you, I would say get the fastest way you're going to pass your JLPT is to get a mock test. Invest in that. Get a mock test and work through a page or two per day, and then check the answers at the back. And those ones you struggle with, you can make Anki flashcards, or you can just mark them with a circle and then come back. You don't mark the answer, right? Because you maybe want to write the answers on a separate sheet because you want to come back and retry. And that's how you do it. And some people probably like grammar. If grammar is your thing, or you struggle with that, get a N5 to N1 grammar book, and then you just work through the book. And for example, unit 20, 2 pages, and that's your work for the day. And whenever you have free time, lunchtime, or just relaxation time, go back to your other books, your skill books, or the books you really like. It may be a manga or even anime you would like to watch, and delve into those. And just, you know, the great thing about manga is that you can learn a ton of kanji and also slang and all those things. Just be careful of the slang, but I guess, you know, if you enjoy it, just don't focus on jotting down everything, or don't make flashcards of everything, and just enjoy it. So number one, get something you enjoy, and number two, get something you want to work through 5 to 15 minutes per day. And that combination, ultimately, if you stick to it for long enough, it's going to drastically improve your Japanese. またね。